how to make phone calls using Siri on iPhone 12. So if you have any of the iPhone 12 series, iPhone 12, iPhone 12 mini, iPhone 12 Pro, and iPhone 12 Pro Max, and you want to make phone call on your iPhone, far from it, you can easily say, "Hey Siri, call my woman." You see that? So here, I'll walk you through how you can easily do this step by step. So if none of this you found this offer informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe. Now, to make a phone call with Siri or using Siri on your iPhone 12, all you just need to do is go ahead and open the settings app on your iPhone. Now, once you open the settings app, scroll down, click on Siri or Siri and search. Now, once you click on Siri, you want to first set up Siri by going to Talk to Siri, click on it, and then make sure to turn on Hey Siri or Siri. At the same time, turn on press side button for Siri, so that if you press the side button on your iPhone or you press the home button on your iPhone, this is going to wake the Siri and you'll be able to communicate with it. After that, you can also allow Siri when locked to be able to communicate with Siri when your iPhone screen is locked. Now come down here, click on Siri responses, and then make sure to turn on prefer spoken responses. The essence of this is if you say "Hey Siri," then it should say Siri say or responding to your communication. Now go ahead and click on call hangup. Here, make sure you turn this on. So Hey Siri hangup is supported during phone call and FaceTime call. Then turn that on, and once you enable call hangup, then you can accept this page. Now when next you want to make a phone call on your iPhone, all you just need to do is say, "Hey Siri, call my woman." Is that? "Hey Siri, hang up." Is that? You can use it to make a phone call or hang up on your phone. You can repeat this again. "Hey Siri, call my woman." "Siri, hang up." That is it. So that is basically how to make phone calls using Siri on iPhone 12, iPhone 12 Pro, and iPhone 12 Pro Max. So if you found this offer informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe.